Mabuhay! Today, I will be discussing my learnings to our subject Operations Management in the topic Operation Strategy in the field of tourism and hospitality. Operation management is the activity of managing the resources that produce and deliver goods and services. In tourism and hospitality, this includes managing people, facilities, equipment, and processes to ensure that services such as hotel, accommodation, food service, and the travel experiences are delivered efficiently and consistently. All organizations perform operations because every organization produces either goods, services, or both. In tourism, most businesses are services organizations, meaning they provide intangible services that cannot be stored, such as hotel stays, tours, and restaurant services. Operations follow the input, process, output model. Inputs like labor, materials, and information are transformed through operational processes to create outputs that meet customer needs. Operation strategy focuses on long-term decisions that help an organization compete in the market. It aligns operations with business goals by emphasizing key priorities such as cost, quality, speed, and flexibility.